This is for yes, it's gonna be very cool. Yeah, let's do the questions for sure. Okay.
Scorpion King was our first movie together.
Oh yeah, and then when I saw him, I was like, oh my God, looks like my twin. The truth is, he's been an incredible partner and brother to me. It's been an honor, Uso, and I want to say from the bottom of my heart, I love you, I thank you, and enjoy your new truck.
No, man, what? What?
Damn, man. Thank you, Uso. You're welcome, brother. Come on.
Damn.
17 years of him giving his blood, his sweat. I mean, this small token of my appreciation. We love you, brother.
I love you too. I love you.
If you smell what the Rock is cooking.